what you do is would you put your thumbs on your tummy button, please? And would you find your pubic bone and put your fingers on your pubic bone? Yeah. So one of those hands is going to be a measure. So you fix it and then you take it off and there's my measure. Yeah, I'll do it against the screen. So there's the measure. Okay, without bending your knees now. So this is now, you're feeling what's going on here. And just let your hand go with it. This one's fixed. Okay, so I want you to lift the pubic bone up towards your tummy button from here to here, as though you're trying to touch your tummy button with the pubic bone here, okay? So find your positioning, and then without the knees bending, you do a pelvic tilt. So you lift the pubic bone up, 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 without the knees bending, up, 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 as much as you possibly can until you can't anymore, and you fix it there, stay there. Now, you can just briefly take this hand off, leave it fixed, and look, you can see the distance that's happened. There's a change. The distance between the navel and the pubic bone has changed. I put that back, still got my tuck under. If you haven't, just do it again. Now you pull up even more here, but you can't very easily. So you can now let your knees bend. So you pull up more, keep pulling up, keep pulling up. You're trying to make the gap 0. Keep pulling up, keep pulling up, keep pulling up, keep pulling up, keep pulling up until you can't anymore. Okay, now if you look at the distance now, it's significantly different. Yeah, we've got a huge difference here in the gap between the two. Oh, I can't even get it against there. You can see. Yeah. And that is how you do the move. In other words, when you do that, this is the lift up here without the pubic bone, without your knees bending, So the lowering down, you can let your knees bend. But of course, it's not just you bending your knees. You're trying to pull this up so much that your knees have to bend. So the knee bending always comes as a result of something that's happening here, not just you're bending your knees. That's it. Because we all know we can all do this and nothing's happening here at all. Yeah. Here, probably you did it here when you did the first bounce, you just bent your knees. Yeah, it's not that.